Here are 7 things that take less than a minute to do, but will change your life. 1. Be grateful for everything you already have and you already did. 2. Make your bed. Go that extra step and your life will start to look like you do. 3. Write down things you want to do. The goals you have, the plans that you want to do, even the thoughts that you have. Write them down. 4. Do the smallest steps for your goals. Like putting on your shoes to go on a run. Just putting on your shoes. Just reading a line in a book. Just making a 1-minute video. 5. Say hi to the people that you know. Acknowledge their presence and try to talk to more people. 6. Posture check. Do this throughout the day too, so don't make this the only time you fix your posture and then right after you finish watching this, you go back. Try to remind yourself more. 7. Spend a minute to think. Just about what's going on right now in life. How there might not be another time where you're thinking right now. There might not be another time like this. So think about it. Either enjoy it, what's going well, what isn't, what can you do better, what the future is going to be like. Think about it.